I closed my eyes, the world went still, and there you were, against my will. A face I've never touched before, but felt like I had known much more.
A magical dream sequence begins.
The singer walks into a glowing garden, dreamy atmosphere. Their first love appears, soft smile flowing close.
You were my first love in a dream, so perfect like a movie scene. No words, just silence that could sing. You held my heart on silver wings.
They walk hand in hand by a glowing river, under the stars laughing and spinning. The world feels timeless. Your voice was soft like summer rain. You called my name, erased my pain. We danced beneath the sky so wide, as if the stars were on our side.
The dream begins to fade, lights dim, the dream world breaks into pieces. The first love looks sad but smiles one last time.
You were my first love in a dream, so perfect like a movie scene. I reached for you but couldn't scream. You slipped away like morning's gleams. Now every night I chase the sky, hoping you'll come, I don't know why. Even if you're just in sleep, you're the only heart I keep. The singer wakes up, tears in their eyes, but smiling, they look out the window. A bird flies by, symbolizing freedom and love remembered. You